Oh, this has been one heck of a fantastic ham radio week, if I do say so. Despite the early week G4 storm that we had and all the havoc it wreaked on the propagation, by the end of the week or midweek to the end of the week, 10 meters, fantastic. Worldwide, 10 meters was wide open. I made a lot of fantastic contacts on 10 meters, both from the shack, which is very, very hard because my QTH has basically a bowl going around it. And so it tends to block a lot of signals, especially with 10 meters. So it was fantastic today. I had a ton of fun playing on 10 meters and making contacts all around the world. Got to go out to my favorite park the other day. Thanks for accompanying me, Eric. Wrapped up with 111 contacts. So I'm one step closer to that kilo. And yes,
now, do you know?
I'm just over 600, close to 650.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. With that 100 or with that's prior?
No, with the 111, it put me up in that range there. So
Nice.
yeah, so I got another like 350 to go.